Say hello, Brody. Say hello. Say hello, Brody. Say hello. Hi. Boy, can a bitch just cut a crease in peace? Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys a quick beat tutorial on this makeup look right here. My quick beat videos are tutorials where I already have my face makeup done because a lot of times I use the same products or it can get repetitive, and other times I know not everyone wants to watch like a 15-20 minute tutorial, so I figured I'd do a quick smoky eye look for you guys today. This is kind of like a half cut crease, half smoky eye kind of look. I wanted to step out and do something a little bit cooler. If we're gonna be completely honest, I'm not really feeling this lip combination. However, I honestly don't really have anything that would go with this eye color. This is the closest that I could get. I probably just could have done a nude gloss, thinking that now, but hey, we're already here, so I have this lip on and we're gonna roll with it. If you're curious in seeing how I got this foundation, this is the same look that I have on in my past two videos, so I will have those linked down below if you want to check them out. I like to keep my intros relatively short. You guys are here for a makeup tutorial, so with that being said, let's jump into today's look. Alright ladies and gents, so I am dipping into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, and with this shade Dystopian, this is a deep matte brown. It has a little bit of a cooler undertone to it. I'm taking my Morphe M153 brush, and I am focusing on pushing this product right into the crease. I want to make sure that I'm building even definition from that inner corner to the outer corner, and I want to put this shade deepest into my crease, making sure not to blend it too far upward. If it goes onto the lid, that's fine because we're going to conceal it later, but I just really went in and took my time with this shade just to build it up, because sometimes working with darker shades too, it can get messy, so I just wanted to take my time with this. Dipping into the shade Twig with my JH33 brush. This is from the same palette. I love this brush because it's really nice at going in and blending product out while also laying it down, if that makes sense. I feel like that's contradicting, but you know what I mean. It places product down nicely and also does a good job at blending it out. I am just using this shade to blend out that dystopian shade. I don't want there to be any harsh lines. I really want those two shades to blend into one another, and this Twig shade is beautiful. It's like the perfect neutral shade for your crease. Sometimes I wear this alone. I love it so much. Now I'm just taking the shade Birch with my JH32, and I'm just using this right above that Twig shade. This is not necessary, however, I love the combination of these two shadows together, and I have the shadow in the palette, so I just wanted to throw a little bit of extra color, a little bit of warmth up into that crease area, but still keeping this look relatively neutral and cool. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and for some reason I forgot to show the concealer, but I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with my Morphe M224 brush. This is my power duo. I'll either use this or the Morphe white concealer. Those are my two favorites. I'm always looking to try something new though, so let me know what you guys like to use to cut your crease down below, whether it's a product or a brush, because I like experimenting with different brushes as well. I have a smaller one from Morphe. It's the M421. I like that one as well, but this is just a little bit bigger, so you can get it done a little bit quicker, where the M421 is better for more specific carving, if you will. Now I'm just taking a piece of tape and I'm going to line this up onto my outer corner. Yes, you should technically be using tape that's meant for your face, like surgical tape or something like that, cosmetic tape, but listen, I don't have it, okay? I'm just gonna be honest with you. I use Scotch tape. It works great. I'm picking up the shade Dystopian again and just putting that back onto that outer corner, using that tape as a guide. I'm not bringing it directly out to that tape, but I am making sure to blend it back towards that area. I don't want too harsh of a line, but I want everything to be nice and blown out, if that makes sense. So you can see I'm going in and putting some product down, but then blending it out with my Urban Decay Naked 3 brush. Now I'm picking up the shade Mediterranean from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, or Riviera palette. Who am I? What am I doing? I don't know. I am taking this shade and I am putting it all over where I put that concealer. I used a brush with this, and as you can see, the pigmentation did take a little bit to build up. If I had wet my brush or if I had used my finger, there would have been a lot more pigmentation. However, I felt like I got more control with this brush, just going up into that crease area. You still do get a lot of pigmentation, but it's definitely not as foiled as it would be if I used like MAC Fix Plus or my finger. As you can see, I just touched up that outer corner with a little bit of the Dystopian shade, and now I'm taking my ColourPop Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. This is in the shade Numero Uno. This is just the felt tip eyeliner. I think it's like the BFF eyeliner. I'm not sure. I'll have it in the description down below, but I'm just gonna do a wing with this. I'm just throwing on a quick coat of my Hello Lashes mascara by IT Cosmetics. I just forgot to show a clip of it. And then I'm going to be using my Trace Sheet Cosmetics lashes in the style Butte. These are so beautiful because they have such a pretty taper from the inner corner to the outer corner. That's a weird way to describe it, a pretty taper, but you guys know what I mean. It really gives a beautiful cat eye effect. These lashes are great for dramatic looks. I'm just going to pop these on. Also, I didn't have my tweezers because I couldn't find them, so I had to use my fingers, and I was like kind of impressed with myself, I'm not going to lie, because the only way I can ever apply lashes is with a tool. I don't know how people do it with their fingers, but I just did it. I was feeling pretty good about myself, and honestly, it wasn't as hard as it has been in the past. I'm just going to put on some black eyeliner today. I'm using my Morphe eyeliner in the shade Dark Room. I've realized that I use this literally all the time, so if you guys have any good eyeliner recommendations, let me know it down below. But then I'm going back in with that Mediterranean shade, and I'm going to focus this on the inner corner of my lower waterline. I'm kind of putting this halfway onto that lower lash line area, and then I'm going to go back in with that Dystopian shade and blend it out again. But I just wanted to make sure that I kind of recreated what I had on the lid on that lower lash line. Now I'm picking up the shade Twig, and I'm just using that to blend out all of these shadows just to make sure that I didn't create any harsh lines, and also just to kind of smoke out that lower lash line a little bit more. Now I'm picking up the shade Sails. This is a stark white shadow. It's actually so beautiful. I don't think I've used this before. I would describe it as more of a satin. It's not necessarily a shimmer, but it just adds a beautiful sheen. I just highlighted my inner corner and my brow bone with that. And then for lips today, I am lining my lips with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Backseat Love. I know I use this in every tutorial, but it's just because it's a nude lip liner, so whether I'm wearing a nude or a more dramatic lipstick, it just helps me to outline my lips. And then I'm going to go over top of that with my Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick in the shade Cool Girl. I love these lipsticks. If you've seen any of my videos, any of my older videos, I use these all the time. They are amazing. It's the most comfortable formula. And then I felt like I just needed to brighten it up a little bit, so I used my Jeffree Star Nude liquid lip in the center of my lips, and then I just went over that with my Dior Nude gloss. Alright, ladies and gents, this completes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. You already know what to do. Click that subscribe button down below, as well as the thumbs up button to give this video a like. That actually helps me out a lot. It helps to kind of get my videos out there, and it shows me that you also are enjoying the content that I'm putting out. Also, don't forget to comment down below letting me know what kinds of looks you want to see from me next, or what kinds of videos you want to see. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick beat. I will have my other quick beat videos linked down below in case you just want to watch a couple. I wouldn't be mad. Alright, I think this completes today's video, so with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Why do I keep doing stuff with my hands? I don't know. I will see you guys in the next one.